Hi there, Bedtime Book Club friends. Welcome. This is Miss Heather's Bedtime Book Club. I'm Miss Heather, and I work at the Children's Museum of Green Bay. Have you been? What's your favorite part? That is a fun part. If you haven't been, please consider coming to join me sometime. I would love to see your smiling faces. Yeah. We do a story time at the museum each and every Wednesday morning and would love to have you join us and then play in our beautiful museum. We are a bedtime book club because you watching, you sweet, kind human, you pick all of the books that we read. So some of these are book requests from a little while ago, and I really appreciate your patience. But this month, we're talking about shaking and rattling, making noise, and reading. So we are doing music books at the museum, and this book was absolutely perfect for that. Tonight's book is called Every Little Thing, and it's based on a song written by someone called Bob Marley. And it's adapted by his daughter, Cedilla Marley. And we're going to read this fun story tonight, and I think you're absolutely going to love it. And your adults might know the song, and they can play that for you later. It's one of my favorite songs. And now one of my most favorite books, so thank you out there for requesting the book. So if you're new to Bedtime Book Club, I would like to know what your favorite Bedtime Book Club story is. Yeah, so if you have a copy of this book or a suggestion for a book that you want me to read, let me know. Go grab it, and you can read along with me. That's how I learn about all of these amazing stories and share them with you. We also want to thank the authors and the publishers for allowing us to share these magical stories with you. We do. So thank you. It's nice to use our manners. Thank you. Okay, my sweet, kind friends, before we get started with tonight's story, we're going to sing first. But before we do that, I need to remind you of something. I think that you out there watching, my magical, sweet, kind friend, there is nobody in this world like you. You are magical all on your own. You are funny and smart and kind. Yeah, and you're unique. So don't ever try to be anything but who you are. Because I love you. I love you like crazy, and I think that you're amazing. You don't have to try to be anything else. Promise? Okay, good. Yeah, because you're really cool. True story. Okay. I also know that you like to sing. Will you sing with me, my kind friends? Okay, here we go. If you're ready to read the story, clap your hands. If you're ready to read the story, clap your hands. If you're ready to read the story, then you'll really wanna hurry. If you're ready to read the story, clap your hands. If you're ready to read the story, please sit down. If you're ready to read the story, please sit down. If you're ready to read the story, then you'll really wanna hurry. If you're ready to read the story, please sit down. Excellent job singing. And you're a wonderful singer. Yeah. Okay, make sure you let your grown-ups know what story you want me to read, and then have them send me a message. You can find us on Facebook and on Instagram, the Children's Museum of Green Bay, or at Books with Miss Heather. We'd love to hear from you. And we love to learn about all of these great new books. Tonight's book again is Every Little Thing, adapted by Cedilla Marley. I think you're really going to like tonight's story. The illustrations are really beautiful too, or the pictures that are in there. And those are by Vanessa Brantley Newton. She's one of my favorite illustrators too. She has some really fun designs that she does. Okay, here we go, sweet friends. Rise up this morning and smile with the rising sun. Rise and shine. Three little birds pitch by my doorstep. Pitch, do you know what that means? It means sing. 1, 2, 3. Three little birds pitch by my doorstep. singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, "This is my message to you." What do you think that those three birds, what do you think their message is? Don't worry about a thing, because every little thing is gonna be all right. I love that message. Don't worry about a thing, because every little thing is gonna be all right. Beautiful. Run to the playground, laugh with my friends and play. Three little birds perch on the swing set. Perch means to sit. Whistling these words, these harmonies sweet in the air. Sometimes you just need to show you care. It's very hard for me not to sing this song. And you say, don't worry about a thing. Every little thing is gonna be all right. They're having so much fun on that playground, and they're sharing. Help in the kitchen, stirring up delicious fun. Three little birds, 1, 2, 3, fly by my window. Chirping out loud, they're reminding us each day, everyone can make a mistake. They say, I make mistakes sometimes too. Yeah. Mistake. And they say, don't worry about a thing. Every little thing is gonna be all right. Those three little birds. What color are those birds? Blue. Red. How about that one? Yellow. Excellent. Lie down this evening. Wave to the setting sun. Three little birds nest in the treetops, humming soft rhymes and lullabies, dreams to keep. Whisper, settle now, sweet child, and sleep. The birds in their nest, that must be where they sleep. Where do you sleep? Your bed. Mm-hmm. Don't worry about a thing. It's gonna be all right. Looks like their grown-ups are tucking them in to have their sweet sleeps at bedtime. Rise up this morning. They're waking up again. Smile with the rising sun. Let me see your smile. I love that smile. Three little birds pitch by my doorstep. What does pitch mean again? Sing. Yeah. Singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Those three little birds sure do have some nice messages, don't they? Yeah. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be all right. Look at how happy they all are. The end. Don't worry about a thing, because every little thing is gonna be all right. And I couldn't agree more. Thank you so very much for reading along with me tonight. I tried really hard not to sing, but you should ask your grown-up if you can hear that song. It's really a pretty song and one of my favorites. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. And I love the message because everything is going to be okay. If you liked tonight's story, my sweet kind friends, please make sure to like the video down below. It helps us to know that you like what we're doing and you like the stories that we're picking. And you know what? Even if you don't like the stories that we're picking, I would love to hear what yours are. Share with me what your favorite stories are, and maybe I'll pick your book and read it here too. True story. Okay, my sweet kind friends, also, we talked about your beautiful smiles. Please make sure to brush them. Brush those teeth so we can see your beautiful smile. Yeah, before you go to bed. Make sure you put on your cozy jammies and have the sweetest sleeps. I love you like crazy. And remember, well, you matter, and don't worry about a thing, because every little thing is gonna be all right. Sweet sleeps, my friends. I'll see you next week. Bye.